Yo, you're loud. Can you mute? Hello everyone, so for tonight's episode, we are going to lift our eyelashes and eyebrows using the same product that is for the lashes. I don't know what to use for the eyebrows, but it's still the same, it's still hair, so we're just gonna do the same product, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna check if it works. If it works, then we're gonna save a lot of money. Anyways, the products that we're gonna be needing is obviously the main ingredient, which is the lash lifting kit that you can find online everywhere. It's very famous and it's very cheap, probably about $10. Next thing that we need is a plastic wrap, so we're gonna wrap our hair with it. And then we also need the eyebrow brush, which is this. And lastly, wipes, because obviously we're gonna need to clean up all our mess. And let's go. I really hope it works though, because I can save $100 from this shit if it does. Anyways, let's move on. I'm just gonna zoom the camera in so you guys can see clearly. A little bit more in, bitch. Let's go. Okay, so that's what my eyes looks like at the moment. Boring. It kind of looks ugly, but we're gonna make it look gorgeous. I will be starting off with my eyebrows. This is the first step, is the glue. You want to make sure that it's all covered, so it goes up like that. Just so you guys know, I had my eyebrows 3D embroidered from Strokes, and this was, I don't know, maybe I would say like 6 years ago, and it's still so beautiful. So we're just gonna do that. I don't know how this is gonna work, but we'll see. I don't even know if this shit fits me. I don't. Dude! I think this only fits for certain type of people. Definitely not me though. Shit. But we're gonna still try it anyways and see how it goes. Alright, so using this pairing solution, we are going to be applying this all. Oh my fucking god. We're gonna be applying that. Okay, so using this plastic wrap, we're gonna be wrapping our eyebrows like so, and we are just gonna be doing the same thing on the other side. Moving on to the eyelashes, and we're gonna be using this and stick it up here. Using this that comes with it, we are going to brush our eyelashes up like so. And the same thing, pairing solution, apply it all over your lashes, plastic wrap, and wait for 15 minutes. Doing the same thing on the other side, and plastic wrap, and wait for 15 minutes. Alright, so after 15 minutes, we're going to be using this thing called fixation, and we're going to be applying that all over our eyebrows and eyelashes. Keep it for another 15 minutes, and then I'll get back to you. And we're done. Grabbing these wet wipes and wipe all of the residue, all of it. And then we're going to be applying this oil called Nutrition. Grab another Q-tip and dip it in. Apply it all over. Again, don't forget the eyebrows. Then number 4, cleanser. So this is the final result. I'm actually impressed that it worked on my eyebrows as well. It definitely looks lifted. Loves it. I wanted to achieve this soap brow look without using soap, so I was thinking maybe this product can work since it can lift your eyelashes. Maybe it can also lift your eyebrows. This product is worth buying. You can save a lot of money. Plus, I got this for 2 years now. I would say you can use it maybe more than 10 times. Definitely. Each session for eyebrow lifting and eyelash lifting is $100. This one is only worth 10. I hope you enjoy this, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social so we can stay connected. Also, don't forget to comment this emoji. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. See you on the next